Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to create the Agent File Adapter for Direction Outbound. The File Adapter for Outbound interface is used for writing files from Salesforce to file. We need an Outbound Agent File Adapter when we want to send data out from Salesforce. The file types that our agent supports are CSV, Excel, XML, JSON, and CSV Fixed Length that can be integrated with our content. To use the agent file for the producer, we need to configure the agent control board, and we need to create an agent file adapter. After we have created connection, we can create an adapter using the created connection. Navigate to the Adapter tab, and then click the New button. Enter your adapter name. We choose Agent File Type. For Direction Outbound. For the protocol, this example we choose Local Protocol. For the file type we have CSV, CSV Fixed Length, Excel, XML, and JSON. For this example we choose CSV. Enter your folder directory name. Enter your file name. For the file handling mode, we have three type: New, Append, and Override mode. In this example, we choose New mode. Choose the connection destination you was created. And then click on the Ping Connection button. After we ping connection successfully, we can save the adapter. Our new adapter record has been saved successfully. Now we have an adapter configured for outbound direction to be used with an outbound interface. Next, we will show you how to assign the created adapter to the outbound interface. Go to Integration page. Click on View Interface Details. On the interface, we choose Interface Direction Outbound. Scroll down to find the outbound setup and click on Edit icon. And then link with your adapter created. Finally, click on the Save button. Congratulations, you has been linked your adapter with Interface Outbound successfully.